guys, welcome to another Angel on the Go video, and today we're in Walmart and we are actually finding deals on luggage. So if you guys are going on a trip or have something coming up, now is the time to get it. This is a 3-piece set right here, and this is Protege.
Is that a good brand?
Yeah,
I haven't heard of that.
kind of an expensive little brand.
Okay, I like the color, the purple. There's the logo.
Yeah, so you get a 24-inch, the upright one right here that you're looking at comes with a 22-inch duffel bag, and then you also get a boarding bag.
All right, there you guys go. And it does have a 5-year warranty.
Mm-hmm.
And it says down here a 3-piece set. And you said it's light?
Super light.
So we gonna take a trip?
We already got luggage. We got a trip coming up, but we already got luggage for it, so
we might need more.
I don't, not unless we're gonna stay longer than 3 weeks. But we got a here goes the UPC. And guys, this normally a set like this runs you $60, $70, $80. Let me scan it for you.
Hopefully you guys could see this. $17, you guys. $17 for a 3-piece luggage travel set. Purple. Do they have other colors?
No, here they just had the purple. I don't know if they have other sets. I think they had a black one and another store that we gotta go look for.
All right, so good luck. If you guys need some luggage, run to Walmart. All right, I'm still on the hunt for more clearance for you guys. Look how cute this is. This is Wonder Nation, and it looks like this is a jewelry holder, a necklace, earrings, and a ring. Look at how nice this is. So this is super cute. You hang this up and you can put your jewelry on the hook. Again, it comes with the ring, the earrings, and the cute little necklace. Now, I seen the regular price $10. It says $5. All right, but when we scan it, it comes up as this. It only comes up $2.50. This is secret hidden clearance. So I went from $10 to $5 down to $2.50. I'm definitely getting one of these for my niece, probably for her birthday or for Christmas. They're easy to ship and they're super light. Look at this one, the same thing. This one's a unicorn, and it comes with the ring, the cute little earrings, and the necklace. And this is only $2.50. All right, so I'm gonna show you the UPC for this one. There's the UPC. And the UPC for the unicorn. Let me turn it around. This is the UPC for the unicorn. And look at this, you guys. It already has a to and from. You don't have to do nothing but fill this out, pack it away, and send it to a special loved one. Or if you want to resell, this is the perfect opportunity because it's only $2.50. All right, we are still finding more clearance in the women's department. Look at this. This is a cute black and white stripe, and it is a sweater. It's super soft, super soft. Has little, we got a turtleneck. I'm so tired. I don't think it's a turtleneck, but it's cute. Look how cute this is. Super soft again. And this is Time and True. Let me show you the tag. All right. I'm gonna show you the UPC. And you guys can see the regular price is $14.98. So they got this cute one right here. Here's another one right here. It's like a teal and white stripe. Again, here's the name brand. Time and True. And look at this. There's the UPC. Is there another color? I think those are different. Yeah, that's different. Okay, so I'm gonna give you the price of these two first, and there's some more on the other side, but These are super thick, you guys. They're super soft. I might just get a few if I could find my size. I see medium, which I might could fit into. That's a medium. And then they have the large, extra large, and double X. All right, so look at this, you guys. You guys ready for the boom? Again, regular price $14.98 down to $5. $5. All right, so this one is $5. This one is $5. This one is $5. This one is $5. All of these are $5. And this is what happens when Angel gets tired. All of these are $5. All right, and then we got these right here. Look at Manny over there laughing. I got to keep Manny laughing because he's in the women's department. He don't want to be here. All right, you guys can see the sign, $19.94 all the way down to $5. All right, they got this one. I know that's a turtleneck. This is just a long sleeve shirt, not as thick and not as soft as the other one, but still nice. All right, regular price $14.98. There's the UPC. Boom, $5. So they got that color, and they also have the pink. Look at this. So if you guys are looking for it, you guys better run to Walmart. This is Time and True. You guys go. This is for the pink. All right, and only $5. Now the regular price on the pink one is $8.68. So yeah, that's weird because the regular price. Wait, is this one the same? Oh, this is $8.68. All right, I mean that's an okay deal. But if I go back around here, this one's even better. So those shirts I showed you, the regular price was $8.68. All right, so I like these better, and these cost more. I think this one is the better deal. I mean, those shirts are nice, but they're only $8 something down to $5, which is okay. You're saving a couple dollars, but this one is the better deal. So again, this one went from $14.98, about $15, to $5. And if you go over here, I just found some more. I am totally out of breath, but I love doing this for you guys. This is the Time and True, and it's a nice little heavy sweater. Look at that. All right, and we get the tag. All right, here's the UPC, and you guys can see the normal price is $17.68 down to boom $5. $5. This one's not bad. All right, so here's a gray. Again, you guys are going to be looking for Time and True. Look at that. Same price as the other one, $17.68. There's a UPC. And I'm going to turn it around. Oh, this one's $9. Okay, well, I thought that was $5. All right, well, you guys, this one is ringing up. Manny, can you scan this one? All right, so let me check another one. Wait a minute. I thought I thought this was $5. Okay, you know what's weird, you guys? Okay, this one right here for the gray, hold on, has a tag of $9. But the one behind it, which is the gray too, has the $5 price. So let's make sure. All right, you got it?
7.
What? Okay, hold on. I know I'm tired and it's late. Okay, I'm confused. This is Time and True, right? Gray sweater. There's the UPC, regular price $17.68. Turn it around, this one says $9. All right, I take that one down. I look at the one behind here. Same exact sweater. This one says $5. But when Manny scans the gray sweater, it's coming up as $7. So is it 9, 5, or 7?
Well, they marked it 5, so they got to honor it.
All right, you guys. So if you guys are having this problem, here's what you do. I'm going to give you some advice. You guys take this one with this tag to the register. And if it's scanning up, what price? 7? 7. So if it's scanning up 7 or 9, you're just going to go ahead and take this tag up and show them that it's 5. So let's see about these other ones right here.
They're 5.
Yeah, no, I'm talking about the gray. Okay, this gray says 5 too. So that one's 5. That one is a 9. Okay, 5. Yeah. So if you guys run into this problem, I would take at least 2 or 3 up there, and the manager should override it. So good luck. These are 5. These are 5. These are 5. And these are 5. Good luck, you guys.